How to save the video with higher quality on Messenger. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can save the video with higher quality on Messenger. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure you go to the Google Play Store, search for the Messenger application on the top side, and if there is any update option available on the right side, do update it. If not, then you can simply open a Messenger application, and after opening it you can simply choose the video that you want to save. Now you will see here is the three vertical lines on the top right side, and there is only option of forward and share. Tap on the share option right here. Now you will see the very option of WhatsApp and other things as well. Now what you should do is save the very video to your drive so that you can get the very higher quality than you actually save it from this very download option. You can save it from the download option as well, but to get a higher quality you need to go to the three vertical dots, tap on the share button and save it to your drive, and then you are done. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.